Hello everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I'm just here to say hi and give you a little bit of an update, see what's on your hook, and show you what's on mine. How is everybody on this lovely Wednesday afternoon? Yes, it is afternoon now. 2:30 my time. Wanted to show you what I'm working on. This is the Easy Breezy tank top from Cinnamon Stitches in the color Steel Blue. So I'm working on that. Let me get rid of this. I've got a blanket. Oops, sorry dogs. A blanket I started for my brother. It's not much to show yet, but just simple blanket. I'm doing in Bernat Blanket Baby Stripes. The color is Above the Clouds. And the shirt I'm making that I just showed you, I don't know if I said it, but I'm doing it in Kobu in the color Steel Blue. I love Kobu. What a beautiful drape that has already. I love it. And I got my Darn Good Yarn of the Month came in. This is Silk Roving Worsted Weight. It's called Ocean Light. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah. Ocean Light. They say it's a roving. It is 75 yards of recycled silk. It is a medium number 4. And they say you should use a 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter hook. And it's crafted in India. So yeah, there's Darn Good Yarn of the Month Club. And I haven't gotten my Mary Maxim Yarn of the Month Club yet. No, I have not. So as soon as that comes in, I will show you guys and do another video. But yeah, other than that, you know, life is good. We're doing good here, hubby and I. He has been keeping busy, and the rains have turned our lovely lawn lovely green color, and everything's growing. It's awesome, and the trees are doing well, and everything that we planted so far is doing well. So yeah, we got a little garden going on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My plant's getting big. See, my plant's getting bigger. I still remember to water it, so I'm doing good remembering to water it. My marigolds outside are growing, and that's nice. And it's just, you know, it's so nice to know that it's May. It's soon going to be June. We're halfway through May. And summer's going to be here soon. The nice weather's going to be here soon. And all the snow is gone. And it's good. It's really good. I'm really happy. And yeah, that's it. Nothing else new. I haven't ordered any new yarn. I'm kind of on a yarn hiatus kind of thing. I ordered some yarn for my son's blanket and to check out Joanne's yarn from the store Joanne. They delivered to Canada, so I did that on a previous video. You just have to go and watch it. But yeah, other than that, I haven't done much. Let me turn the camera around. Watch out. let me show you guys. Look at all of that green grass. We've got our golf net up. We've got hubby's weight bench set up. He's got his kickboxing bag out there. Yeah. And the field behind our house is a beautiful green color, and that's only matched by our yard. Our yard is that color too, so that's nice. I love it when the grass is green. I love it when everything's green. It's awesome. But it's not too nice to go outside today. I don't want to go outside. No. There's dark clouds. Although they're breaking up, I see some blue sky over in the distance. But I don't want to go out today. It's been icky weather the past couple of days, which is good. You know, we need it, and I don't begrudge it. It stopped yesterday, and I was out yesterday, and it was beautiful out yesterday. Had the sun shining. It wasn't too cold. The wind was blowing, but it wasn't too cold. And it was gorgeous out, and I was outside for a bit. It was nice. Yeah. And we've got to get some more wood for our fireplace outside so I can have fire. Already had one this year. Roasted some hot dogs and some marshmallows. I love roasted marshmallows. I love good roasted hot dogs. What are your guys' favorite hot dogs? Do you roast hot dogs? Let me know if there's any good tasting hot dogs out there, because the ones hubby grabbed were not good. They just were. I used to like Top Dogs. I used to like Juicy Jumbos. Yeah, I used to really like Juicy Jumbos. But, actually, what I used to really like is when I was young, there's a grocery store called IGA, and those in Canada know what it means, or knows what an IGA is. It was like a Safeway. It's a regular grocery store, just, not as expensive as Safeway, or Sobeys. So IGA was awesome. They had these bins of links of hot dogs wrapped in plastic, and it was just these links of hot dogs, and they were just bulk hot dogs made by Olympic Meats, and they were so good. They were the best. And you think we can find those now? Well, first of all, there's no more IGA. Second of all, Olympic Meats has changed to... Well, there's no more Olympic Meats, I think. And, yeah, so... I'm looking for good tasting hot dogs. Hot dogs that taste good raw, because I occasionally like a raw hot dog, and a hot dog that tastes good cooked. Because the ones I have right now, they taste okay if they're over a fire. They do not taste good boiled. I tried them last night in macaroni and cheese, and I ate the macaroni and cheese, and the dogs had the hot dogs. Very disappointing. And what is it with birds flying into windows? Our house is big, like you can't miss it, and yet we have birds almost on a daily basis flying into the windows. Not to get hurt. I've never seen a bird get hurt yet. I've never found a bird yet, actually. They seem to hit it and fly off immediately. All that's left is a little circle of feathers on the windows. So the poor birds. But, oh well. You hear a thump on the window, hubby and I just look at each other and go, bird. Bird. Yeah, bird. Our cats are finding mouses. I'm really happy with that. That's why we have 2 of them. The other one actually caught his first mouse too. Very impressed. Because my black cat, Samhain, he's a very good mouser. He caught his first mouse at 5 months old, and he's been catching mice regularly ever since. He's a good hunter. And my other cat, Solstice, the white fluffy one, he hasn't been much of a mouser, we've noticed. He's more laid back. He's more content to let Samhain handle the mousing thing. But the other day, hubby found him with a mouse. So yay, Solstice. Solstice killed a mousey. Good for him. My dogs don't do anything about the mice. They're very sad. So, but it's not like we're overrun with mice either. But they are on the move with the nice temperatures. They're moving around and hoarding food, and you know, the cats are on the hunt, on the prowl. But other than that, things are good. The weather is good, kind of. We had days of rain. We're under some thunderstorm warnings. We've been under some heavy rainfall warnings. I don't think we're under a warning right now. Nope, Marie are not under a warning right now, so that's nice. Yes, last night we ended up under a thunderstorm warning, but nothing came of it. Saw some lightning off in the distance, heard some thunder, but other than that, you know, nothing came of it, so that's good. Heard there was a tornado that touched down in Meeker, Saskatchewan. I don't know how far that is away from me, so I have to check that out, but I didn't see it. So, but other than that, yeah, I like small town living. It's awesome. Okay, small village living. The greenhouses are open. I want to go to a greenhouse, but got no money for plants right now. But I want to go to a greenhouse and get some petunias. And what are the other ones? Because they had some black petunias I saw at this one greenhouse. I want some black petunias. And what else? Oh, peppers. I was going to get a thing of peppers because none of our peppers came up. It was very sad. And what did come up was Spinalia didn't last. Didn't make it from the transition between inside and outside. They all kind of died, what came up. So, very sad. Our peas made it. Our sunflowers made it and are halfway into the ground. The flowers made it. Yeah, I gotta go outside and see what's going on, and I may just post another video. We'll see. If I find any growth, I will post another video. But until then, I will let you go. I've rambled long enough. Let me know what's on your hook. Let me know what you've all been working on. And you all take care. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and stay safe. Bye.